Kati, kamusta yung injury mo? Okay naman ba?
Oh, okay naman, no? Like I said, all I need right now is rest, recover, and to be more in the right mindset, mentally tough coming this series.
Kati, nabanggit mo kanina yung having RJ. Can you compare lang yung kung ano yung pinagkaiba o kung ano yung kapareha nung binibigay nilang comfort sa'yo playing katulad nung kay LA dati?
Yeah, playing alongside with Kuya LA and playing alongside right now with RJ makes me comfortable sa position ko and ginagawa ko. And of course, pareho silang magaling, not just scoring but both decision making and maturity sa game. So it really big boost and big help for us, especially para sa akin, to be more better as a player and to perform well.
Masabi mo bang after nung mga talo nyo sa finals, mas komportable na kayong dalawa ni RJ maglaro?
Yeah, right now especially yung ginagawa ni RJ para sa amin ngayon, I think more on mataas yung chance namin against TNT, and hopefully na mas matulungan pa namin siya, no, na mas maganda yung ipakita niya this finals.